The 2026 Toyota RAV4 versus the 2026 Honda CR-V. Let's see which small SUV packs the most versatility and fun. RAV4 has higher EPA estimated miles per gallon ratings than Honda CR-V's equivalent models. Available features like heated and ventilated front seats, heated outboard rear seats, and a head-up display give RAV4 a comfort edge over CR-V. RAV4's standard hybrid powertrain has more horsepower than CR-V's gas and hybrid grades. Now, let's put RAV4 and the Honda CR-V side by side. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 offers a big lineup for all kinds of drivers. It has 7 grades: LE, XLE Premium, Woodland, SE, XSE, GR Sport, and Limited. Whichever drivers choose, there's a standard hybrid powertrain. And RAV4 also offers an available plug-in hybrid powertrain. CR-V has 7 grades. There are 3 gas, LX, EX, and EXL, and 4 hybrid, Sport, Trail Sport, Sport L, and Sport Touring, but there is no available plug-in hybrid powertrain, though both SUVs heighten traction with available all-wheel drive. Looking for style? RAV4 knows how to bring it. Drivers can up the aesthetic with available 2-tone exterior colors. CR-V? No equivalent. RAV4 offers rugged design details on the Woodland grade, with a model-specific split grille finished in satin black. And RAV4 GR Sport goes full motorsport-inspired design, complete with the GR functional matrix grille and functional rear spoiler. Honda CR-V answers with rugged details on the Trail Sport grade and a sporty look with blackout accents on Sport, Sport L, and Sport Touring grades. RAV4 has available 20-inch alloy wheels, while CR-V's available are 19 inches. And RAV4 lets drivers open up to the day or night sky with the option of an available power moonroof or an available panoramic glass roof with power tilt slide moonroof. CR-V only offers an available power moonroof. Inside the 2026 RAV4, comfort is calling. It comes standard with dual-zone automatic climate control. CR-V has standard single-zone automatic climate control, but drivers can upgrade to available dual-zone automatic climate control. RAV4 keeps the comfort coming with available power heated and ventilated front seats. There's no ventilation function with CR-V. Both SUVs have an available heated steering wheel, but RAV4 keeps passengers in the back toasty with available heated rear seats. CR-V has no equivalent. Qi-compatible wireless charging is available on RAV4 and standard on CR-V. When it comes to helping drivers feel confident behind the wheel, RAV4 comes standard with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that keeps important info within the driver's line of sight, along with an available head-up display. CR-V only has an available 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, and there's no head-up display available. Step inside RAV4 to loads of innovative tech, courtesy of the Toyota Audio Multimedia Platform. The system includes a standard 10.5-inch touchscreen or an available 12.9-inch touchscreen. CR-V's standard touchscreen is only 9 inches. RAV4's interface includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and supported music apps. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy for users to stay connected to their Android devices and seamlessly access their favorite maps, media, and messaging apps, including Google Maps and YouTube Music, directly on the vehicle screen. CR-V also has standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Launching on Toyota with the 2026 RAV4, SiriusXM with 360L delivers a more extensive and personalized audio experience. A 3-month trial includes ad-free music, plus talk, sports, comedy, news, podcasts, and more. All available in-vehicle and on the SiriusXM app, along with exclusive content featuring top artists, creators, and athletes. but there are no Sirius XM trials with CRV. RAV4 includes trials for Toyota's line of connected services on select grades, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. CRV has similar Honda Link trials. RAV4 ups the listening experience with an available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system, while CRV has an available 12-speaker Bose premium audio system. The new Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 makes its debut on the 2026 RAV4, and it comes standard. It brings a full range of assistance features, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. The Honda CR-V comes standard with Honda Sensing, which has similar features to TSS 4.0. For added convenience, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and safe exit alert comes standard on RAV4, while the Honda CR-V has its equivalent available blind spot information system and rear cross traffic monitor. RAV4 has available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, and CR-V answers with available front and rear parking sensors and low-speed braking control. But where RAV4 helps boost driver assistance with an available panoramic view monitor, CR-V has no equivalent. RAV4 delivers peppy, electrified performance. Its 2.5-liter Toyota hybrid system delivers power and efficiency, with 226 net combined horsepower on front-wheel drive models and 236 net combined horsepower on all-wheel drive models. Or drivers can step up to RAV4's available plug-in hybrid system and experience an exhilarating 324 net combined horsepower and 5.4-second 0 to 60 acceleration. CR-V has a standard 1.5-liter turbo engine with 190 horsepower or an available 2.0-liter hybrid system with 204 net combined horsepower. Both SUVs bring trail-ready confidence. RAV4 has available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, while CR-V has available all-wheel drive. But when it comes to bringing some toys along for the ride, RAV4 has a maximum towing capacity of 3,500 pounds on all-wheel drive grades, where CR-V maxes out at 1,500 pounds on gas grades. Looking for less pit stops out on the road? RAV4 has an EPA estimated 43 mpg combined on the front-wheel drive LE grade, while CR-V has an EPA estimated 30 mpg combined rating on front-wheel drive gas grades, and an EPA estimated 40 mpg combined rating on front-wheel drive hybrid grades. Both RAV4 and CR-V received Kelley Blue Book's Best Buy Award. Every new RAV4 includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance and 2 years and unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. CR-V's Honda Service Pass scheduled maintenance is limited to only 1 year and 12,000 miles, whichever comes first. Both vehicles do offer a 3-year or 36,000 miles limited warranty, whichever comes first, and a 5-year or 60,000 miles powertrain warranty, whichever comes first. RAV4 includes a hybrid system warranty that covers select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and an additional 10-year or 150,000-mile battery warranty, whichever comes first. CR-V's hybrid grades include hybrid system and battery warranties for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. The 2026 RAV4 is adaptable in nature and capable by design, designed to embrace wherever the weekend leads. Discover the RAV4 story at Toyota.com.